Live in the present moment. A lot of our pain, bitterness, anger, shame, and guilt has to do with our memories. Even if those memories are just yesterday or this morning. If our memory was erased, we would not have any of those emotions. We experience them because we are allowing something that we are remembering, consciously or subconsciously, to stimulate our thoughts and feelings. Without a past, there can be no pain, anger, or guilt. Anxiety and fear are the stuff of the mind, about what might or might not happen in the future, even if the future is 1 hour from now. The present moment does not create such emotions, and there is no other reality than the present moment. We cannot go to the store to buy something for yesterday, nor can we go now to buy something tomorrow. We cannot act in the past or in the future. We can only act in the present. Only in the present can we make decisions or respond to events or challenges. Only in the present can we exercise our free will to change our lives. The only point of power to create and change our lives is the present moment. There was never a time that was not now. There is no other time. Live in the present moment.